What's up? I'm Scott, and this is the Colorado Climber Vlog. You are watching episode number 8, the Great Sand Dunes National Park. I'm so excited to share this with you. We had such a good time, me and a few buddies. We planned it the night before, spontaneous camping trip. Oh, it was awesome. We battled through a storm and the heat, and just can't wait for you to watch it. It's a blast. If you haven't been, highly recommend. It's a great day trip, or you can spend a whole weekend there. It's really up to you. But throughout this video, I didn't talk as much as I do in my typical vlogs. So what I decided to do was put some fun facts about the dunes throughout the video. But here's one fun fact. The Great Sand Dunes National Park is home to the highest dunes in North America. I believe the highest one is 750-ish feet, and if I'm wrong, it's gonna pop up right here. So I'll tell you that when it comes around. But anyway, just a great time. Without further ado, sit back, relax, enjoy, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button on your way out. Thanks again. I appreciate the support. Enjoy. Matt, how do you feel? It's the morning of.
Good. Excited.
Yeah.
Ready to have some fun.
Yeah. All right. So we're headed to the sand dunes. Jack, you're driving today. This is awkward.
This is unusual.
I'm never in the back seat.
Scott's in the back seat, which is bizarre, but I'm happy to be driving and it'll be a good time.
Dope. John, anything?
Well, hungover today, but Chick-fil-A is gonna bring me back.
Yeah, that's right. We got Chick-fil-A. Sorry for those of you who don't support Chick-fil-A.
My pleasure.
A little smoky today. Still fire's going. All right, this is just a stop before we head over to the Dunesy. Anybody have anything to say?
The good life.
Yeah, the good life. What is up? We have made it to the sand dunes. John Boy's getting ready to go out there. We're gonna go mess around on the stream. There they are. We've got massive mountains behind us and around us. Matty G's in the bathroom. Jack drove down the primitive road with the good old Jeep. There he is.
Job done.
So, we made it. So Jack wants to run up this hill, so I said I'd do it with him. So obviously you gotta record it. Matt wears sandals.
This is so Matty G.
And has Jack's back.
Matt, I thought you left your wisdom teeth in, bud. Davy Jones locker. Matt, how you doing back there, half price?
Doesn't look that big until you get up to it.
stuff. So we are sitting out in the dunes, enjoying our day. Gonna have a quick beverage.
Yes, sir.
And
Hot boys, I'm gonna get absolutely fried.
yeah.
I regret not packing an extra shirt.
We're just walking up this beautiful ridge. Having a blast on the sand dunes, just exploring today. There's really not much to say. We're just having a good time. So we made it to this little point here, boys, and just kind of this flatland lull area. And now we're gonna go, I think, up that way, because why not?
I'm gonna do a snot rocket.
What up, John?
I'm going last. You guys have fun going right. Wanna do
Just surrounded by walls of sand. Alrighty, so we are in our camp spot for tonight, which is this campground. I don't even know off what road it was, but it's on the way into the sand dunes. And we wanted to camp at Zapata Falls, but the campground was full, so John and I got left with tent duty, watching the tents while Matt and Jack go and we're gonna get the pizza. But anyway, we're having a blast. Sand dunes is awesome. That was my second time there, so it was just cool to have first timers with me. And now we're just gonna camp, and then tomorrow we're gonna go back up to Zapata Falls and take a little hike there in that area, and then we'll head home on a beautiful Sunday. But great weekend, great day. It's our view. It's a little smoky and there looks like there's a storm over there, but typically out here it's all here's just mountain range, but with the smoke from the fires you can't really get an idea of what that is. So gotta get,
My gosh.
because you know it's got to be as cold as the Rockies and brewed in the Rockies when you're hiking. There you go. Cheers, brother. They left us with the booze. All right, so we felt raindrops, so we got in the tent, and so me and John are still waiting on Jack and Matt to bring us food. All right, so the current situation, Jack and Matt had to wait over 45 minutes for the pizza that we ordered, and so they're not back yet. And in the meantime, me and John are stuck in the tent because it is pouring. So, been a great trip. This is gonna pass, so we're not really worried, but yep, there's my tent for tonight, but I'm not sitting in there alone right now.
Dude,
so.
does it mess with this? Did it stop raining?
It's about to stop raining. It probably is messing with us.
I'm in a real tough relationship here with this guy.
Well, the storm came, and we're paying the price right now. Just trying to hold the tent now, and we got a nasty storm, so I'm waiting it out. We're good, but damn, holy hell.
Up, I don't have my camera on me. As you can tell, I'm drenched because yes, we are in a storm in the tent. So the other guys are over in the other tent. I'm here, and just holding it down. I had to take my shirt off. As you can tell, I don't have a shirt on because I was mopping up water and the beer I spilled in my tent. So it's just been a heck of a couple 30 minutes here, maybe 40, but we'll get through it. Just waiting it out.
Guys, we survived the storm. How y'all doing in here?
Dude,
We survived the
I'm double fisting for a reason here, Scott. I'm trying to get through it. No, I'm just kidding. No, it was actually pretty wild. It was pretty fun.
Now it's just drying the tent off, get ready for
It was probably a bad
bed.
idea. Pretty damn good, you know. Mentally, we persevered. It was, I called my mom. I'll admit it. I called her. I said, hey, I love you. I might not come home today. But, you know, we made it tough. Matt saved the day. He came in. I had rocks moving like in The Conjuring by themselves. And the tent, you know, it's a strong tent.
So we are, it's not focusing, but we're getting ready to chill, just laying here. Great end to a great day. All right, so it's the day 2. Sleeping was rough. Both my cameras and my phone died, so I just got to get a little update in on the phone here. Matt, thoughts on sleeping?
Good, stars are beautiful.
My hip hurts.
Yeah.
Jack, my hip hurts.
Your hip hurts?
Yeah, from sleeping on the rock.
I'm so sorry, Kat.
Well, there's the dunes.